Good morning, students. As discussed earlier in the last class, I would still want to give you a small definition or brief introduction on financial statements. Okay. So, what is a financial statements? Who makes the financial statements? Why it is required to made? Okay, who uses it? How they use it, and how actually it is prepared. Everything will be taught or explained in this video. Okay, so let us start. So a financial statement, okay, is a statement prepared by the joint stock company. So in this chapter, we will study about the financial statement, which is prepared by the joint stock company. We will not study the financial statement prepared by a partnership or a sole trader. Rather, we will study the financial statement made by a joint stock company. Joint stock company is also known as a public company. A public company is those company which issue shares. Okay, so therefore a financial statement is made by a joint stock company. Okay, which are published periodically. And who published it? The management. Okay, the management publish the financial statements on a periodically basis. It is generally a yearly basis, which in India the financial year ends on 31st March every year. Okay, and it publishes to him to various end users, the end users of the financial statement. Okay, who has a lawful right of such information. Okay, and why do they have a lawful right, or why would they need the information of the financial statement? Because if they because they want to know the company's progress, position, and prospects. Okay, and why would they want to know the position, prospect, and all? Because they might be the debenture holders, they might be the creditors, they might be the bank, they might be the government, whosoever they are. All these people are collectively known as the stakeholders. The stakeholders. They might be financially interested in the business, and their interest can be seen in the financial statements. They will be considered as end user, and they will use this financial statement. Now, sir, why would they require this financial statement? Okay, this financial statement, the users, they get a copy of it. Okay, they get a copy of it annually. And what they do with this copy, they use it for the analysis and their interpretation, or they also take decisions. Okay, they take decisions about whether if he's a shareholder, he will decide whether he should keep the shares of the company. If he is a creditor, he will think on the, how much long credit they should give to the company. Okay, this analysis and interpretation gives the stakeholders of financial soundness and the profitability position of the company. So now we can summarize the whole thing as financial statement are those statements of the company that depicts the financial position. Financial position is seen in the statement of balance sheet. Okay, and the result of the business activity, that is also known as the performance, which can be seen in the statement of profit and loss. This can be seen at the end of the accounting period. Okay, so sir, we have understood what is a financial statement. Now, please tell us what are the other names of financial statement. This financial statement are also called as annual report, annual accounts, or published accounts. Okay, now, so now we know the meaning of a financial account. We have understood the the uses of it. We also know why they need it. But could you please tell me what are the things included in the financial statement? Yes, we will. Now, as per section 2, subsection 40 of Companies Act 2013, okay, the financial statements includes balance sheet, statement of profit and loss account, notes to account. This notes to account of balance sheet and profit and loss. Okay, the notes to account which contains the contents of balance sheet and statement of profit and loss account, and also the cash flow statement. Okay, and this cash flow statement is made as per accounting standard 3, which we will study in a separate chapter known as cash flow statement. Okay, so therefore, and who actually says that it has to be made accordingly? The financial statement every year as per the requirement of Section 129 of Companies Act 2013 in Schedule 3, Part 1 and Part 2. Okay, Part 1 suggests the balance sheet and Part 2 suggests the statement of PL. I hope you understand this. If you have a doubt, you can reply it below.